morning, respected Director Sri Deepak Somani, Deputy Headmaster Sri Somya Dipto Moidro, Dean Academic Sri Dhanush Kumar Sahu, parents, teachers and all my dear friends present over here, I Pallavi Sarkar
and I Shubhanita Ghosh are going to conduct this parent-teacher meeting. It is with great pleasure and honor that I stand before you today to welcome you all to this parent-teacher meeting.
To all the parents joining us today, we extend a warm welcome. Your presence here underscores your dedication to your child's holistic development.
I welcome you all to this PTM. I wish that the interactions have been quite good and we would now like to take it forward from here. Now, I like to mention out one thing is this, that I am here to lead forward the mission and vision of Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu. Now, you must understand that this school institution was his dream project, and the major part, one of our sir's vision, was human transformation. This is a significant honor placing us alongside the renowned institutions like the Doon School, Mayo College and the Isha Home School. The feature has already received glowing reviews and we did love for you to see it. We are going to play the movie for your perusal and I hope you will enjoy it.
This place, this class, these benches, these tables all make me so nostalgic. This place has not just taught me education, the academics, but it has taught me various life lessons. It has taught me the will, the determination, the hard working, the perseverance, to always fight for what's right, to know that everything is possible.
Humility and leadership should go hand in hand, and at Sai International Residential School, we believe that children should be leaders and at the same time must follow the principles of Guru Shishya Parampara and respect everyone that comes their way.
The two essential components which remains, one is academics and one is holistic development. The total part makes it a total composition, and obviously one of the most important criteria which remains is academics. Now I am just going to share with you some of the interventions which we are going to work on, particularly related to the academics. I am just going over now point wise. Now the most important thing which remains a concern for all of us is the active participation of the students during the teaching in the class. Now what we are working on is this, that during the teaching in the class, the teacher will encourage the students for active participations in the regular class lessons. जब कोई भी teacher पढ़ा रहे हैं, we are going to observe the classes and we are going to see how it can be bettered. It can be further improved so that more add-on skills हम लोग class में दे सकते हैं. The learning level of the students is being assessed by EI asset skill based assessments. ये EI skill based assessment हम लोग November December school के end से conduct करेंगे, and that will evaluate the conceptual understanding of the student and benchmark the school's performance at national international level. So we will be evaluated as a school where we are standing in math science, and आपको भी पता चलेगा आपका बच्चे कहाँ पर stand कर रहे हैं. So this is one of the most effective tools which have been implemented, and we are going to tweak and modify that according to the need of the child.
I would like to welcome a group of incredibly talented individuals whose voices have the power to uplift and inspire us all. love knows no bounds. It transcends times, distance, and circumstances. It's like the gentle touch that soothes away fears.
I would like to invite Nandita on the stage.
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूँ तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है न माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। एक ही नारा गूंजेगा, भारत का बच्चा बच्चा जय जय श्री राम बोलेगा। भारत का बच्चा बच्चा जय जय श्री राम बोलेगा। एक ही नारा गूंजेगा, मेरे भारत का बच्चा बच्चा जय जय श्री राम बोलेगा।
मैं ना भीगे भीगे जाए कैसे खुशी ये छुपाए, राम आएंगे कुछ समझ न पाए कहाँ फूल बिछाए, राम आएंगे। मैं ना भीगे भीगे जाए कैसे खुशी ये छुपाए, राम आएंगे कुछ समझ न पाए कहाँ फूल बिछाए, राम आएंगे।
तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का, उस विधाता की पहचान है।
It's a place which will transform the students. We know for sure that हमारे यहाँ पे अलग अलग जगह से, अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड, अलग अलग कल्चर से बच्चे आते हैं। ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट काम है। इनको एक लाइन में, एक सूत्र में बांध के रखना, ताकि उनको हम लोग उनसे बेस्ट एबिलिटीज़ निकाल सके। हम लोग उनके बॉडी, माइंड एंड सोल, उसको हमेशा चैलेंज करते रहते हैं कि तुम बेटा और बेहतर करो, और अच्छा करो, और अपने आप को नेक्स्ट लेवल में लेके जाने का कोशिश करो। ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सब कोई एकेडमिकली फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड ही होगा, बट उनके अंदर में जो भी हिडन टैलेंट है उसको अप्रिशिएट कीजिए।
Now please give a round of applause to our amazing dancer as they grace us with their presence once again. So fasten up your seatbelt for the grand finale.
Dear parents, thank you so much to have the trust and faith and confidence on us, sending your children to our school for the overall development. And we are able to fulfill the motto of our school, learn to lead. This is not only a school, normal school, this is a school of leadership. I would fail in my duty if I will not thanks to our kids, the new students, those who have joined probably 15 or 20 days before. They are putting up such brilliant show on stage. Please give a big round of applause to these kids.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं।